Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love vinyl records and want a clean, stylish, and organized setup, today's product is something every vinyl collector should seriously consider. This is the Crosley Furniture Luna Record Player Cabinet Turntable Stand in Walnut, and it's designed to be the perfect home for your turntable and vinyl collection. Let's start with the design, because this cabinet looks absolutely beautiful. The warm walnut finish gives it a classic mid-century modern vibe that fits perfectly in living rooms, bedrooms, or dedicated music spaces. It's not just storage, it's furniture that elevates your entire vinyl setup. The top surface is spacious and sturdy, making it ideal for placing your turntable, speakers, or audio accessories. The height is well thought out, allowing comfortable access when changing records without bending awkwardly. Now let's talk about storage, which is the biggest highlight. The Luna cabinet can store up to 175 vinyl records, neatly organized and easy to flip through. No more stacking records on the floor or cramming them into random shelves. Your vinyl stays upright, protected, and easily accessible. The open shelving design allows quick access to your favorite records while also improving airflow, which helps preserve vinyl over time. Everything stays visible, organized, and ready to play. Build quality is solid and stable, designed to handle the weight of a full vinyl collection without wobbling. Whether you're using a lightweight beginner turntable or a heavier high-fidelity model, this stand holds up confidently. This cabinet is perfect for vinyl beginners building their first collection as well as serious collectors who want a dedicated, stylish solution for record storage. It also pairs beautifully with Crosley and non-Crosley turntables alike, so you're not locked into one brand. Assembly is straightforward, with clear instructions, and once it's set up, it becomes a permanent centerpiece for your music space. If you want your vinyl setup to look organized, professional, and aesthetically pleasing, the Crosley Furniture Luna Record Player Cabinet is an excellent investment. Check the link in the description and buy it on Amazon today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep the vinyl spinning.